Assalamualaikum Ayah Bunda. Welcome back to my channel. Salah satu elemen penting dalam menguasai bahasa Inggris adalah pembiasaan. Agar tidak menjadi sebuah beban, baik bagi orang tua maupun anak, pembiasaan bisa dilakukan dengan percakapan yang sederhana. Secara tidak langsung, percakapan sederhana ini menstimulasi otak bawah sadar untuk mengingat dan membantu mengekspresikan suatu ide dalam bahasa Inggris. Dalam episode kali ini, topik yang kita pilih adalah aktivitas orang tua dan anak di dapur. Kita akan membuat makanan sederhana yang lezat dan sehat untuk menu sarapan. Selamat menyaksikan! Ayah, what do you want for breakfast today?
I want egg for my breakfast.
How do you want your egg? Scrambled egg, sunny side up, omelette, or the boiled one?
I want omelette.
Alright, it's just so easy. Anyway, can you cook it yourself?
Let me try.
First thing first, take the egg out from the fridge. Prepare a bowl and a fork. Crack the egg in the bowl.
Wait a minute, I'm trying.
Then whisk using the fork. And add some salt.
Abby, can you get me the salt jar, please? I can reach it.
There you go.
Can I add tofu and cheese? I love tofu and cheese so much.
For sure.
Egg, tofu, and cheese. It's gonna be so good.
You never know until you try. Let's do it.
Okay, let's do it.
Set a pan on the stove. Can you turn on the stove, Ayla?
It's so difficult, Abby.
Press and turn the knob to the left.
Yay! It's working. Now put the egg into the pan. Let the bottom turn brown. Then flip over. Yay! Chef Ayla's omelette is ready. Can I eat it now? I'm so hungry. See, I'm starving.
Well, now sit down and say the dua.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Nyam nyam.
Is it yummy?
Super duper yummy!
Can I have some?
Here's for you!
Not bad.
But it's not complete without rice, Abi.
So, do you want rice?
Yes, I love rice.
There you go.
Thanks, Abi.
Enjoy your breakfast, Ayla. No leftover.
All right.
After that, put your plate into the sink. And don't forget to wash your dish, okay?
Okay, Abi. See you in the next episode.